Are you always late?
Yes, almost every day.
Why are you late?
I can't wake up on time.
Do you hate mornings?
Yes, I really do.
How many alarms do you set?
5 or 6 alarms.
Do you hit snooze?
Yes, again and again.
When is your birthday?
It's on May 15th.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
What's your nationality?
I'm American.
Where do you live now?
I live in Los Angeles.
What's your address?
123 Main Street.
What's your phone number?
It's 4.1.5.15.13.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, not yet.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one brother.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher
Where do you work?
at Lincoln High School.
Do you study?
No, I already graduated.
What did you study?
I studied education.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
What's your native language?
English.
Do you have a big family?
No, it's small.
How many people are in your family?
4 people.
Who are they?
My parents, my brother, and me.
What's your father's name?
His name is Robert.
What does your father do?
He's a doctor.
How old is your father?
He's 55 years old.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Mary.
What does your mother do?
She's a nurse.
How old is your mother?
She's 52 years old.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
What's your brother's name?
His name is Tom.
How old is your brother?
He's 22 years old.
What does your brother do?
He's a student.
Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone.
Do you see your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, 2 grandmothers.
Are they alive?
Yes, both are healthy.
Do you have aunts or uncles?
Yes, 3 aunts.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, many cousins.
Is your family close?
Yes, very close.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Cereal and coffee.
What time do you leave home?
At 8 a.m.
How do you go to work?
By car.
How long is your drive?
About 20 minutes.
What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m.
When is your lunch break?
At 12:30 p.m.
Where do you eat lunch?
At a nearby cafe.
What time do you finish work?
At 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
What time do you get home?
Around 7 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most nights.
What do you cook?
Usually chicken or pasta.
What time do you eat dinner?
At 7:30 p.m.
What time do you go to bed?
At 11 p.m.
Do you sleep?
Yes, usually.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 7 hours.
Where do you live?
In an apartment.
Do you rent or own?
I rent.
How big is your apartment?
2 bedrooms.
Do you live alone?
No, with a roommate.
How long have you lived there?
For 2 years.
Do you like your apartment?
Yes, it's nice.
Is it expensive?
Yes, a bit expensive.